Hi! Oh, jeez, that's terrible. Hi! We're camping, and welcome to Long Distance Cooking. It's raining right now, we're camping, and this morning we're making Mountain Man breakfast! So, basically with a Mountain Man breakfast, you just need a big-ass Dutch oven, with spider webs. Then you cut up everything, throw it in, put it on the hot coals, bam, you're done. There's always a dick with a bigger engine. So, you will need
cheese, bacon, pork sausage, 2 pounds hash browns,
a dozen eggs,
bell peppers, onions, and garlic. Yeah, this is where the axe comes in. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Is it actually chopping them, or is it just separating them?
No, it's chopping.
Clove of garlic.
Kind of.
Brown your sausage and your bacon.
Heat kills all bacteria, right?
Probably.
Put some salt and pepper into our 12 pre-broken eggs. Pour these throughout. Now we wait 40 minutes, let these firm up. The lid back on.
What are you making of that little thing?
I'm making coffee. Instant coffee. Boil water. Put in instant coffee. Instant coffee.
Oh god, yeah.
Mm-hmm.